Ever go to water your plants or enjoy your backyard, only to have a cloud of tiny gnats flying right in your face? Kevin the Eco Man here, and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of gnats. In this video, I'll break down how to identify if you have gnats, why they're so persistent, and the smartest eco-friendly ways to get rid of them. How to know if you have gnats. If you see them swarming near your sink or garbage disposal, they're probably drain flies. If they're around fruit or trash you're dealing with, fruit flies. And if they hover around your potted plants, it's likely gnats. Why infestations can get out of control fast. They breed in drains, potted soil, trash bins, and anywhere with damp organic matter. The longer they're around, the more they multiply, turning your kitchen or houseplants into their personal breeding ground. If you don't eliminate where they're breeding, they'll just keep coming back. How to treat gnats effectively. If you want to find out where gnats are breeding, just go look around on the outside of your home or even inside for any excessive moisture spots. You want to make sure you get those dried up. People think spraying alone will fix the problem. The reality is you'll only kill the ones flying around, not the source. Yellow sticky traps near plants with a lot of activity are surprisingly effective. They catch gnats before they can lay more eggs. Now with the treatment applied, I would recommend treating the backyard again in 2 weeks to make sure we get the gnat population under control. I hope this video helps you finally get rid of those pesky gnats. If it did, hit like and subscribe.